Hello all, this is Bishwadeep and welcome to day 15 of my 100-day AI journey. Today I'm going to show you that if you are the business owner or if you are going to build some portfolios or you are looking for something to make a landing page where you want to showcase all your use cases, products, services, or say you are making any kinds of projects that you want to without building the multiple pages system, you want to create in a single page. Then I'll show you the 3 or 4 websites, and I'll also tell you which is the most easiest one, and you can use it on regular basis to create the multiple landing pages, maybe for your business or for other use cases that you may use. So I'll start with one product that is the AI product, that is the card.com, card.co. So this is one of the simplest landing pages you can build. There are predefined templates are present also, but you need to manually put all your efforts into it. Okay, you can log into this card.co, or else I'll provide you the link in the description so that you can directly click over there and land onto this card.co. So choose a starting point or open the dashboard. What is card? See what you are currently watching it. This is also a landing page of the card.co. That is kind of a landing page. You are getting, see, you are getting here, it's told you choose a starting point, open dashboard. It directs you to the other templates that is present. Then what is the use case of this card.co? Build one page sites for pretty much anything. Okay, so that is what. And you can go for the optional to GoPro. There are the free versions and also the GoPro versions are present. So, and what are the features available? Custom domains, forms, site analytics, no branding. It don't give you the branding or the marketing that you are maybe looking for. Fine, try it for free for 7 days. So that is all the landing page. So how you can build something? Say choose a starting point. Click on it. Here you can find these are the predefined templates: profile, landing page, form, portfolio, section. Say these are the multiple section that you may create for the different purpose. And if you want to create or start from the blank page, that you don't want anything, you will start with the initial drafting from your own creativity. You can do that also. Let me show you this blank page. Let me start with this the blank page. Initially, what the interface will look like. This is the interface, this is the text, and this is also, you can say, the my heading, and these are the paragraphs. And it will show you the what type of the markdown formatting it is accepting. And there is nothing, will the same text will over be written over here. So if you want to change this text, you can click over here, or else you can directly uh, okay, we can change the text from here only. See, whenever you are trying to make any changes, it will directly do the preview in the canvas. What we tell this is the canvas. We are building the landing page here, so this is called the canvas. I am going to build a portfolio. Fine, I'm going to build a portfolio of my own. I've just, fine. See, if I done, okay, that is what. Now say I want to change the heading also, my title side. Let me write this as my portfolio. Here you can add the different kinds of elements. Here the elements means you can add text, list, buttons, audio, video, image, gallery, timer, slideshow, widget, form, divider, table, container, control. So Any kinds of elements that you want to add, you can directly click on this add button, and you can put the elements. So let me start with I want to create some buttons over here. uh, okay, if I want to write something, I'll be writing something. Okay, button, uh, say check my portfolio. I think the color currently provided here is red. Okay, background label, huh? So these are called the labels. Say I'm giving is yellow, green. Why it's not changing? Let me check. Okay, fine. So it will direct you to this URL. Fine. So button, click me. Fine. Say, and this will change it to, this will, fine. You can add the multiple buttons over here also. This button means this URL sits behind this button. Whenever someone clicks on this button, it will redirect you to that particular URL which you are in, which you are trying to, uh, you are trying for the users to click and go into that particular uh, topic or region maybe. Okay, click on done, and now you want to add some of the other details, say slideshow. Fine. Say you want to put a gap between those two, you can click on this container. Fine. That's how you can put the containers to show the different to show the distance between the paragraphs or between the different elements you are putting. Okay, this is a slideshow that you have given. You can add any image or the other things. Fine, kindly, I don't have any image, let it be. So I hope that you are trying to uh, get some of the things that how the card.co works. Okay, and here also you can check the positions. Say if you want to go for the top, not here. This is the hover. The alternate text is the alternative text for the images that you may be using. Okay, click on done, and say if you want to delete this thing also, you can directly delete, or you can copy of this particular element. Say I want to copy. So whenever you are copying any kinds of elements, it will be automatically put in the canvas directly. Here I want to add another container just to show the space between these two slideshow. Fine, now let me add another button. Set table, I want to add some table, but before that I want to put a container. I want to put some multiple containers. Okay, you can use whatever you want. You can put number of containers or whatever according to the designs that you are trying to prepare. You can give any kinds of elements over here. So say that is what I'm trying to build with this card.co, but it's a manual task. It's a tedious task right now in this AI era. But previously, uh, we used to do with through the card.co, not with the card.co, but with Canva and other tools where we need to put the manual effort much more. Uh, and currently we hardly use, because with just a single prompt we can get the overall landing page for your own use cases. I'll show you that one, but just hold on a bit. I'm just showing you the manual work. If you are the UI designer or the UI graphics designer, or you are starting new, you can use this one card.co, and you just get an experience that how each one of is this building getting generated, and then how we can publish it uh, to the website or in the say social media platforms. This is the refresh button or undo the last item that see I have added the container, right, so it will be getting deleted. Now if I want to get the preview animations, you can click on it. Why it's not happening? That is a preview, right? Okay, fine. It will show you the responsiveness of your mobile view, how it will look in the mobile, because currently everything happens on the mobile itself. So whenever we are trying to create any landing page or any kinds of website, we must check in the responsiveness of the mobile, then tab, then the laptop, so it is much more compatible with the all the devices that we are using right now. Now click on save, it will be saved or publish this site, title, description, publish to card.co, publish to a custom domain. Since it's asking for a custom domain, you need to buy the domain from the other domain platforms areas, or we can use it as save as an online draft, offline draft, so it will be saved. Right, so that is how the card.co works. Fine. Let me exit and let me show you the predefined templates that is already present here in this card.co. Here, open dashboard. See, I think I have created yesterday or probably. See, I was trying to build something with it, nothing much more. I was just trying this out, card.co, that how does it work. Okay. So let me go into this predefined templates. If you don't want to use the manual work, you can use this kind of templates. uh, Whenever you are trying to choose any of the templates, you can check this premium options is also present, and also there is nothing is written on these images. So when nothing is written, the free version is applicable for those images, and wherever the premium is written, it is the pro version. You need to buy those templates with the credits that you will be required. Okay, say I'll be using this one, select. So these are already predefined uh, templates being written, the headings, the subheadings, then the social connections that is being required, or you can say the icons. Under the icons you can see that X is the Instagram, X is the Twitter, then you provide the URL. So if you provide your own Twitter account or Instagram handles, then you can directly click on this and the users can land onto your Instagram account. And these are the predefined what was that, predefined slideshow is present. Okay, so that's how it's simple. It's nothing much more of an you need to learn something hard and rule first, nothing. Simply click on the elements and add one after another and just check the design how you want to make it. That's all. So that is all about card.co. And if you say that how I am liking it, I can say currently I won't be using it as much, because if there was an AI enabled platform here with this card.co, then I would have used this, because with the use of AI I will just put the prompt and maybe give the direction that how my UI or the interface or how the each of the roles will be working, or the features, then it would be much easier for me to navigate and without any manual kind of work. Yes, the creativity depends on you, and also on the prompting that you may be using. Okay, so that's all about card.co. Now let me go into the one of the biggest or the oldest, you can say oldest platforms, that is the Hostinger. Okay. Hostinger. Hostinger. Okay. Let me directly click on the landing page because there are so many items present in the Hostinger. See, this is the landing page of the Hostinger Horizon. I must tell you, this is the Hostinger Horizons. There are so many products of Hostingers. Okay, it's not shown over here. I'll show you. Fine, I'll show you. What are the current features or what are the products that Hostingers uses and how we can use that. But currently my main motive is that I want to show you that how we can build the landing pages within simple time and also much more efficient for all of us to use those. See, this is the landing page of the Hostinger Horizon. This enables us to create any kinds of landing pages within the after giving the prompt. Fine, let's start for free. I'll give you the link in the description so that you can directly come into this Hostinger Horizon, right? Say I have, since this was a predefined template, I will be using this thing to edit it, right? See, there are four options: preview, edit content, code, and data. If you want to go for the edit content, these things will be highlighted and you can change the, see, you can change the whole paragraph on your own. Start your own. Say start your own. Save. Fine, the content got changed and it will be replicated over here. Once it gives us the direction that some changes has been done, so it will be upcoming here and then it will be kindly reflected in the landing page over here, right? See how neatly it's being processed, the predefined templates. Some things are present which you won't be able to change right away, but you can use the coding also. Select file to edit. If you are the developer and you know about all of these stuffs, then you must go through these codings because I am not a developer and I hardly understand some of the workflows or the other things about this say different kind of languages, C, C++, JSX. Yes, I can understand HTML, CSS, Python, but these are more advanced. So if you want to change it with the help of coding, you can go through by this process. Okay. Data dashboard, add user accounts to my projects. If you say if there are multiple people doing or working in the same type of project, then you may assign each of the roles to the different persons. Accordingly, add a page with a contact form. You can add the different kinds of pages also. Add booking page with name. So you can work with this data also. Now coming to the preview. So whenever you are trying to click on the preview, it will remove all the editing contents or uh, in whichever places you are trying to edit, it will be removed and it will show you the simple interface what your landing page will be. That's it, nothing else. Okay, but mainly when you are clicking on this edit content, see, it will change it to 180 plus. Okay, so that's how you can change it, and I give you the better say better hand on this, that it's much more easier and faster than the card.co, because you are just giving the prompt. Okay, let me show you that. Okay, here ask for changes. Here the AI is working, you are putting the prompt, and everything in the dashboard will be changed. Say I want a mail in the hero section. This initial section is called the hero section. Okay, I want a mail in the hero section having a six pack abs with the barbell on his shoulder. Got it? Let me see how does it work on. As you have given the prompt, it is working on the codings also, that some of the things needs to be changed, and it is changing automatically, and it is showing me working on it, right? So just wait for a minute or two, it will show you the exact output. Kindly AI credits 5, AI credits usage. Kindly it will show you how much AI credits that I have used. Almost done. You can use the hostinger for your hosting purpose, then create a beautiful website, your e-commerce business site, or whatever. But you need to pay the hosting fees and also the domain fees. And I hope this is one of the most premium and most affordable the hosting platform, the hostinger. There are so many products over here for the hostinger, but today we are exploring only the hostinger horizons as of now. You can create the apps also with the use of this. See, you just check it. Previously it was a lady who was lifting something, but currently I have asked in the prompt that I want a male in the hero section. We will be having the six packs abs with a barbell on his shoulder. Simple as that. You got my point. You can click on this hero image section, and also you can upload or change the image also. That is how you can edit the sections in the hostinger. Fine, I'm just giving you the what I've done and what I've worked on this, and I'm trying to differentiate between the different platforms, that who is building the best AI landing pages with the use of minimal work, and the best output what is coming out from it. So if you want to tell me, if you are going to ask me that which is the best, card.co or the hostinger, then I will say invest some amount and you can get a good hostinger site, good hostinger landing page from the hostinger horizons. Fine. So that is all about hostinger. Or you can ask the Codezy also, it's like an AI assistant chatbot. You can directly put your queries and it will give you the output over here. Fine. Now let me go into this one of the most advanced and more I think you have heard about this Replit. It's the currently in the market, it's the top trending AI product which helps us in building websites or the products. So whatever. So kindly I'm building something, so I'll not be using it right away. Okay. Uh, Okay, let me show you how does it work. Go into this login. I will continue with Google. Google search, say your if see, this is the starter. Free daily agent credits, free credits for AI integrations, publish one app, limited agent intelligence. Continue with starter or Replit core. So more advanced features, or you can say you can use the Replits in much more uh, for a much more long time, and you can also uh, remove the made with Replit badge, that is the watermark for the Replit, or the enterprise custom versions. Uh, it's for the B2B business, that some organization wants to build the or intake the enterprise version of this Replit, so they can use this part. Fine. Now I'll use the starter. Continue with the starter. Okay. Welcome to Replit Meet Agent 4. Build anything, design freely, and work with your whole team. Here's what's new. You can check this out, but let me show you. Say I want to create my portfolio. I'm into AI. Where did it go? I'm into AI, automation, and workflows. I have 6 years of experience in SaaS AI companies. I am building products. So say these prompts that I've used. Say these are some of the samples that I've given for the Replit to use it and build me a. Oh, I have not given the landing pages. Can I check? Wait a minute. Let me check. See, before that, I just want to show you, you can build the website, mobile apps, design, animations, slides, decks, 3D games. Then you have the landing page option also. Okay, or where is it? Say I want to build a landing page on my portfolio. Let me check how it's coming. Fine. Whenever you are trying to put the prompt, use the RCTF method. Okay, uh, you give the role, the context, text, and the formatting. Sorry, not text, it's task, and also the formatting. See, you have just given the prompt, and it's building a landing page on its own. That's superb. Think like 3 to 4 years back, you need to do it manually, but right now the AI market has given us so much to explore, and so much to use these AI tools and to build something for the good use cases. You can use any kinds of AI tools, and you need to differentiate that which AI tool is good for you and which AI tool is not. Maybe the card.co is good for some other people, but as I'm not having any enough time, I'll be using some of the most simplest method where I'll be putting the prompt and getting the instant result. But to provide the prompt, you need to have researched, and also you need to get a clear prompting so that you can get the correct output that you are wanting to get. Fine. So it's building as of now. So let me show you the portfolio. Create some. Let me check. Did it haven't created anything? Say AI workflow portfolio. Let me check. Acha. That is why it is taking much more time. Fine. I have stopped this one. Okay. I'll be trying to check the current one only. So there are the different agent modes, light mode, economy mode, and the power core mode. So whenever you are trying to use the much more advanced agent to build this landing page or apps or slide decks or whatever, the amount will be also increasing on depending on the agents, because the agents are like being treated with different number of data layers and every other things, and for each of the agent, the the complexities, how they can solve the different complexities, it also increases. So as per their complexity increases, and they can solve different types of amazing uh, or bring some amazing solutions for it, they can use for the uh, these agents are being used. See, that's what I got from this portfolio. I have just given it to Replit. View selected work, selected works of mine. It's nice, right? See, as I have given, I wanted to build a landing page of my portfolio. It simply, it simply took out from their own memory that maybe he is trying to build this kind of work, so they will provide this kind of landing page. Until or unless you provide the exact details that what do you want and how your portfolio want to become, you won't be getting the exact output from it, right? Everything depends on prompting, because prompting is the king. So that's all about this Replit, and I can say that this is the best, one of the best to build websites or apps or anything like that. Okay, so I hope you got a clear idea that with a single prompting you can use this one, and you can provide the whole details, and you can get a clear idea or the output of out of it. Now let me go into this another website called Emergent. Fine. This Emergent gives you the full stack app, mobile apps landing page. So directly it's present on the landing page, that if you create this one, say build a portfolio uh, where I am the investor banker for nearly 15 years, and now I am starting a consulting business. Fine. So that is the interface of the Emergent that is coming up. I will share the link in the description. You can buy credits, pro, standard, annual, monthly. You just check it out, which is good for you. Then the flat 80%. Okay, fine. It will give you the discount also. Okay, and you can create the application, mobile apps, and the landing page. As I'm trying to build the landing page and showcase to you, I'll use this example only. Then you can attach files. Say you are trying to build something, build this portfolio in. You are giving some reference image that maybe I want to build my portfolio like this one. So it will get the instinct and use their advanced creative method to give you the landing page according to your needs. Then you can upload it to GitHub public. Then the advanced controls. See the MCP to use, it's a different thing. MCP, okay, it's a model context protocol. I'll come into this later point of time when I'll be going into the depth of AI learning journey. So smart course, elite footwear, consult plus wingman, leave these things. Okay, and you can use the model over here. Right now there are different kinds of models, and with the latest release, the Claude Opus 4.7 is the most recent model and is the most advanced models. But there is a uh, lack of one thing over here, that with the use of much more advanced models you will lose your credits fast. So if it's generic, so try to build something generic, and there are some minor changes where the generic models doesn't work, you can go for the higher models over here. Fine. Say let me use this GPT 5.4 model, build a portfolio where I'm the investor banker. So click on enter or click it, and let me check how the agent is working and what is the output that I have got. Let's see. Let it run. So currently for the what I've gone through, card.co, then the uh, I forgot, Hostinger, Replit, and Emergent. But I can say that whenever there are some AI enabled uh, section is there, you can use those sections and you can get the best output from it, because you don't need to put the manual effort and say, and you are not good at manual you are not good at prompting to get the exact details, then you can use the manual method, because you can check in on each and every moment that how your portfolio is looking, because you are building it on your own, right? So agent has questions for you, it will be asking you questions also, you need to answer those things at that point. Brand positioning, what name should appear on the website? Say your a consulting business name. Next, what should we say? Book a consultation call. Next, which consulting focus should I highlight? Say fundraising. Which direction fits you best? Premium, corporate, and modern. I'm just randomly clicking it. Okay. Do you want me to draft professional placeholder content for now? Uh, no need right now, because or else it will take some time. No need right now. That is the magic of AI. Just give prompts, it gives you the exact results. So Emergent is also considered to be the most advanced, and it is integrating with many other tools to get the best result from it. Just wait 1 or 2 minutes, because it will take time to build. And I want to say you that these are all the paid tools that you may be using, but if you do the same thing in the Claude or say Grok or say Gemini, and I'm not considering the chat GPT as of now because it won't be uh, giving you that distinct landing page, but Claude can provide you uh, this landing page as of now. You just give the prompting with the exact skills or the data, then you can get the clear response from the Claude only itself. Just wait a bit more. That was all about Replit. Simple publics, projects settings, agents credits 19% use, cloud credits 0% use. Upgrade to Replit code. No need as of now. Since you are just trying to get your one or two landing pages, if you are the freelancer or students or the higher professionals, you can use this landing pages. Uh, uh, you can create those landing pages with the use of the LLMs or the AI assistant chatbots. Fine, but whenever you are trying to build something more sophisticated, you can use these things to directly edit and also get published this landing pages. Somewhat it has created. These are about the hostinger, and duplicate this website account sharing hostinger dashboard. Okay, I'll do it later. So these are the all websites: WordPress, website builder, Node.js, domains. So these are the different types of things. Okay, all websites. So leave it as of now. You don't need to go into dip if you are not building any kinds of websites or apps or buying some domains. So leave it as of now. You can use directly the hostinger horizons. Okay, let me check. I've given this a tedious task, this landing page. Building landing page also needs creativity. That how your customers or clients will just check a 1 second view at this landing page, the initial page, and they will just scroll up or scroll down, or they may get hooked with your this landing page. So that's all how the marketing works, the marketing strategies works, and how you can beat all of those things and get the most benefited outcome from your landing page of the websites that you are trying to build. See, we have got our initial or the first draft of the portfolio what I've given to this Emergent. Building something incredible. It's still loading, so just wait. Okay, let me do one thing in the front end building blocks. I'm building the data files. Whatever is written over here, right? You can also understand by the type of text what they've written. I have your direction now. I'm checking the design blueprint first. I am filling the last gaps, checking the total helper and card complaints. Backend in place. Now I'm creating the front end building blocks. The agent is running and it's building it automatically, so you don't need to worry anything about this uh, process. Okay, fine. So it will take some time. So today What we have gone through is that with the use of card.co, then Hostinger, then Replit, then Emergent. I must say that there are some advantages and disadvantages for all of these items. Say for the Emergent, the time taking is too huge on providing the better output or the result. Then for Replit, it has given us the direction, and it has also provided us the exact strategies to work with, that how we can do the prompting and get the best output in the Replit itself. And I have not gone through the exact details of this deployment in the Replit. I need to check on that thing, but you also can check that whether creating any kinds of apps or websites directly on Replit and can produce the best output without thinking of any money requirement. Let me check the last time Emergent. No, nothing is coming. I'll show you tomorrow on day 16 that what is the portfolio landing page of my day 15 that I have done in the emergent.com. Okay. Uh, should we wait? Yes. Yes, I don't need to wait. It has created. See, Meridian Capital Advisory, it has given the name on its own, services experience process. As I have mentioned, I'm an investor banker with 15 years of experience. See the color that has been used, the black and the golden. Got my point? So that's how this portfolio looks whenever we are trying to deploy this emergent, because it already understood the assignment that if you are the investment banker you need some premium qualities, so that's what it has been used in the uh, black and the golden color. Okay, fine. So that is what I want to show for my day 15, that what I have gone through the with the different site building or with the landing pages building. I will say Replit is still much more advanced than the Emergent, and also from the uh, Hostinger horizons. But Replit comes first, so that's my perspective or the thought process. You may have your own thinking also, that what kind of yes, what kind of tool that you are going to use. Okay, so that's all about day 15. Thank you, everyone.